Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Okay, good morning everyone. We may all sit na po. Okay, good morning again. Welcome to today's event, the Gender Sensitivity Training, Building Respect, Breaking Bias. I'm thrilled to be here with all of you as we embark on this important journey together. My name is Rohaima Batara, a Gender and Development Technical Group advocate from the legal office, and I have the honor of being your host for today's session. So today we come together with a shared commitment to foster a culture of respect, understanding, and inclusivity. This training is designed not just to raise awareness, but to empower each of us to recognize and overcome biases, and to build an environment where everyone feels valued and included. Our team, Building Respect, Breaking Bias, reminds us of our individual and collective roles in breaking down stereotypes and promoting genuine respect for one another. Throughout this session, we'll engage in meaningful discussions, learn practical tools, and gain insights that we can carry forward in both our personal and professional lives. Thank you all for being here, for your openness, and for your willingness to be part of this journey toward more inclusive community. Let's dive in and make this session impactful for everyone. Once again, welcome to Gender Sensitivity Training, Building Respect, Breaking Bias. So, to formally open our event, it is my honor to introduce a dedicated leader who has been instrumental in advancing our initiatives on gender and inclusivity. We have the honor of hearing from our Regional Vice President and Chairperson of the Pro-10 GAD Technical Working Group. His guidance and dedication have been pivotal to our gender advocacy efforts. Please welcome Sir Delio Aceron II for the opening remarks.
Salamat, Hines Bayang sa inyong tanan. Of course, like to acknowledge first our resource persons, Dr. Olivia Teresa Pahete Pelagio, our OIC Oroqueta Parole and Probation Office from the Department of Justice. Welcome po sa Philat Region 10, and thank you again for sharing your time and knowledge sa aking mga kasamahan dito. And of course, magandang umaga rin. Nandiyan hindi na si Ma'am Kay, lumabas lang yata, Ma'am Jara, and all the members ng ating committee sa GAD, Philat Region 10. Alam niyo yung mga ganitong activity, lagi kong sinasabi, isa lang ang mensahe ko. We have to enjoy the learnings na makukuha natin dito, but pinaka-critical dito, ma-apply natin sa ating workplace, sa ating pamumuhay araw-araw. Para sa akin, yan ang tamang pamantayan kung effective ba itong ginawa nating training. Rest assured of my support to all GAD activities, gender development. Admittedly, kailangan mag-double time pa rin tayo, and I'm happy kasi ang mga members po dito sa Philat Region 10 are creative in taking off activities. And rest assured, next year, mas marami tayong gender activity na mas marami tayong members, mga empleyado na may engage. And pagtulungan natin kung ano pang may bibigay ko suporta para mas suportahan ang nais yung gawin activity. Gusto kasi natin talaga makaparticipate. And sabi na ni Ms. Jara, we'll think of activities na ma-involve naman natin yung mga family members. Kasama ako dyan. Lagi lang naman challenge yung last time is, want to do a GAD activity. Ideally, it would be better sana kung sama-sama, but because of limang probinsya kami, challenge ang transpo, and mahirap din talaga magsarado ng opisina, and I do understand pagdating ng Sabado, yung iba talaga na nalayo sa pamilya, tulad ko, talagang umuwi ng weekends. So may mga limitations tayo. But nevertheless, again, congratulations sa mga ginawa nating activities, yung sa recent nating gag activity, and also yung sa ating trick or treat. Importante doon, naging masaya yung mga bata. We had an opportunity na makapanood yung mga anak natin. Lagi yung sinasabi, gusto ko yung opisina natin, maganda talaga. Maganda siya in the sense na yung tayo mismo ay magiging proud. Sasabihin natin sa mga anak natin, sabihin anak natin, ay, diyan pala nagtatrabaho si mommy. Maganda rin na hindi lang magandang opisina, but conducive din siya to work. And of course, observe natin itong ating topic ngayon, gender sensitivity, building respect, breaking bias. Again, have fun learning and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your time and expertise. Magandang umaga.
Okay, thank you, Sir Delio, for those inspiring words and for setting the tone for today's session. So now, to introduce our esteemed resource speaker, I'd like to call on someone who plays also a central role in our gender and development initiatives as a representative from our legal office, and of course, a dedicated member of the Pro-10 GAD Technical Working Group. Please welcome Ma'am Iris Tabimina to introduce our speaker.
Thank you, Ma'am Himes. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so pleased to be with you this morning and to have the chance to introduce our guest speaker. It is my honor to introduce our esteemed resource speaker for today's session, Dr. Olivia Teresa J. Pahente Pelagio. She is a clinical psychologist with extensive credentials and experience in gender sensitivity and mental health. She holds multiple qualifications, including being a registered psychologist, registered guidance counselor, and registered psychometrician with a doctorate degree in clinical psychology. She is currently serving as the officer in charge at the Oroqueta Parole and Probation Office, Department of Justice. Dr. Pahente Pelagio's expertise and insight will provide us with valuable perspectives on how we can better understand and practice gender sensitivity in our personal and professional lives. We are very fortunate to have her today, and I encourage all of you to make the most of this opportunity by engaging with the knowledge and guidance she will share with us. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming our guest speaker, Dr. Olivia Teresa J. Pahente Pelagio.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to be back. My due respect to our heads of offices, Sir, Ma'am. And yeah, I remember when I was with you during your, what was that? Was it a sports feast or when you had it at, yun. So I was really amazed as to how the team worked. And parang hindi nyo na kailangan ng team building, no, to become resilient kasi nakikita ko yung talagang cohesiveness ng group, no, during that time. And parang all generation, may mga millennial, may mga so parang hindi na kailangan yung kumbaga kasi nakalagay dyan yung mga biases. I think given the activity that you have, respect was really, nakikita ko na andun talaga siya. And talagang naipamalas niyo kung ano man yung